Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Remember the last time you started a new job and asked for the org chart to understand the management hierarchy? You want to understand who reported to whom and how you fitted in with it. Who was your boss's boss? Who were his or her peers? Who were your peers? And who were your direct and indirect reports? You probably had some explanation as to the so-called dotted lines which existed between functional, product, or regional reporting. We can call this the manifest organization, which is as it appears on the org chart and which bears only a very rough approximation to what's actually going on. As you spend more time in the organization, you find that different people work under various assumptions as to how the manifest organization really works. Often, decision-making appears to be ad hoc, relationship-driven, and can vary wildly from one situation to the next. If we had the patience and analytic skills of a social anthropologist, we'd start to discern the extant organization, that is, how people actually organize themselves to get the work done. The extant organization exists as a testimony to people using their best efforts to get on with doing the work in as sensible a way as the confusion of non-requisite structure allows. Fully understanding the extant organization will help you define the gap you need to close to make your organization requisite, that is, with a design that is closely aligned to that required by nature. Crossing the chasm between the manifest and requisite organization is a necessary condition of building a solid platform for human flourishing and sustained high-performance business results. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.